Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to discuss how to use the Facebook Messenger secret conversation feature to have a hidden, secret, or private conversation on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Facebook Messenger's secret conversation feature lets individual users, not a group, have a more secure and private conversation than they can using the traditional messenger. Secret conversations are encrypted from end to end and can only be received on devices where you're currently active on Facebook Messenger. If someone involved in a Facebook Messenger secret conversation switches devices, the other person in the conversation will be made aware that the person they're having a conversation with is using a new device. Additionally, you can set a timer associated with how long a message can remain visible after the recipient reads it. Once time is up, that message is gone for good. The Facebook Messenger secret conversation feature supports sending and receiving messages, pictures, stickers, and videos, but you can't send GIFs, make video or voice calls, or send payments to other users. Finally, the Facebook Messenger secret conversation feature is only available in the Messenger mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. It is not available on Facebook.com or Messenger.com. This video will walk you through how to enable, start, delete, and turn off Facebook Messenger secret conversations. And now, let's walk through how to turn on the Facebook Messenger secret conversation feature. Step 1. Open the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Your Facebook Messenger home screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. The Me window appears. Step 3. Scroll down the screen and then tap Secret Conversations. The icon that appears to the left of Secret Conversations features a black square with a white padlock on it. The Secret Conversations window appears. Step 4. Tap the toggle to the right of Secret Conversations if it isn't enabled to turn it on. A dialog box appears in the center of the screen asking if you want to turn on Secret Conversations. Tap Turn On in the dialog box. The dialog box will disappear. You've successfully managed to turn on Facebook Messenger secret conversations. Next, let's talk through how to start a Facebook Messenger secret conversation. Step 1. After turning on Facebook Messenger secret conversations, launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap the New Message icon in the upper right corner of the screen. The New Message window appears. Step 3. Tap Secret in the upper right corner of the screen. The Secret Message window appears. Step 4. Tap to select the person you want to send a secret Facebook Messenger message to. A secret conversation window opens up with that person. You can verify that it's a secret message by looking for Secret Message toward the top of the conversation window. An icon featuring a black circle with a white padlock on it in the lower right corner of the person's profile picture, and a message to the right of this person's profile picture informing you that this is an encrypted conversation across all of your mobile devices. Step 5. Tap the timer icon on the left side of the message entry at the bottom of the screen. A set timer menu flies up from the bottom of the screen. This lets you define how long the message will be visible to the recipient after they open it. Alternatively, you can set this option to off if you don't want the message to self-delete. In this example, I'll choose for the message to self-delete after 5 seconds. Tap Done after making your selection. You'll return to the secret conversation message screen where you can see the timer icon is now shaded black and a message appears in red text above the line where you enter your message, notifying you that this message will disappear after your selected amount of time has passed after that message has been seen. Step 6. Enter the message you want to send in the text box at the bottom of the screen, and then tap the black paper airplane icon that appears to the right of that box to send your message. Similar to the way you can with other Facebook Messenger messages, you can tap any of your sent secret messages to see whether or not they were received by the intended recipient. If the message was seen, the word "seen" will appear in small gray letters beneath the lower right corner of your message. Alternatively, if the message hasn't been read yet, you'll see "sent" in small gray text beneath the lower right corner of the message. Recipients will receive notifications similar to the way they do for normal Facebook Messenger messages. However, in any places where you would normally see someone's name, the notification will simply say, "Someone sent you a message." Now let's look at how to delete Facebook Messenger secret messages. Facebook Messenger secret conversations can be deleted in exactly the same way that normal Facebook Messenger conversations are deleted. The only difference is that you will only have the option to delete secret conversations, and you will not have the option to archive them. To delete a secret conversation, hold your finger against the Facebook Messenger secret message you want to delete on the Facebook Messenger home screen until a menu flies up from the bottom of the screen. Tap Delete Conversation in the list of options. Delete Conversation will appear in all red text. A dialog box appears informing you that this conversation will permanently be deleted. Tap Delete Conversation in the dialog box to delete your secret message. Your Facebook Messenger secret message will instantly be deleted. Finally, let's talk through what you need to do if you decide you want to turn off Facebook Messenger secret conversations. If you want to turn Facebook Messenger secret conversations off, you can do so at any time by navigating back to the secret conversation screen where you turned the feature on and then toggling it off. A dialog box will appear informing you that you will no longer be able to receive encrypted messages or start new encrypted conversations in Facebook Messenger. Click Turn Off to agree. The dialog box will disappear and the Facebook secret conversation feature will be turned off. Congratulations! You now know how to use the Facebook Messenger secret conversation feature. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.